Introduction. Welcome, medical students, to today's lecture on the fascinating topic of acid-base balance. In this comprehensive script, we will delve into the intricate processes and regulatory mechanisms involved in maintaining the delicate balance of acidity and alkalinity in our bodies. Understanding the mechanisms behind acid-base balance is essential for diagnosing and managing various pathological conditions. So, let's embark on this journey of exploration and discovery. Acid-base balance refers to the regulation of hydrogen ion, H+, concentration in the body fluids, primarily blood. The normal pH of arterial blood is around 7.4, which reflects a slightly alkaline environment. Deviations from this range cause acidosis or alkalosis. The body employs multiple systems to maintain this delicate balance, including the kidneys, lungs, respiratory centers in the brain, and various hormonal regulatory mechanisms. The kidneys play a pivotal role in maintaining acid-base balance. Anatomically, each kidney is composed of millions of functional units called nephrons. The nephron consists of a glomerulus, a network of capillaries, and a tubular system. Filtration of blood occurs in the glomerulus, and the tubular system is responsible for reabsorbing essential substances and excreting waste products. The kidneys regulate the acid-base balance through three processes: filtration, reabsorption, and secretion. Filtration of blood allows the removal of waste products, excess ions, and toxins. Reabsorption eliminates useful substances like glucose and electrolytes, while secretion selectively excretes waste products such as hydrogen ions and some drugs. Renal regulation of acid-base balance primarily involves two processes: the reabsorption of filtered bicarbonate ions and the secretion of hydrogen ions. Bicarbonate ions, HCO3, are filtered by the glomerulus and reabsorbed in the proximal tubules. This process helps in maintaining the body's bicarbonate buffer system, crucial for pH regulation. On the other hand, hydrogen ions, H+, are secreted into the tubular fluid, mainly in the late distal tubules and collecting ducts. It is facilitated by the enzyme carbonic anhydrase, which converts carbon dioxide and water into carbonic acid. Carbonic acid then dissociates into hydrogen ions and bicarbonate ions. The reabsorption of bicarbonate ions and the secretion of hydrogen ions ensure the precise control of blood pH. The renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAAS, plays a crucial role in regulating acid-base balance indirectly. When blood volume or pressure decreases, specialized cells in the kidneys release renin. Renin initiates a cascade of events leading to the production of angiotensin II, a potent vasoconstrictor. Angiotensin II stimulates the release of aldosterone from the adrenal glands. Aldosterone acts on the distal tubules and collecting ducts of the nephron, enhancing sodium reabsorption and potassium excretion. The reabsorption of sodium ions indirectly contributes to the reabsorption of bicarbonate ions and hydrogen ion secretion, thus maintaining the acid-base balance. Aldosterone, a mineralocorticoid hormone secreted by the adrenal glands, regulates the reabsorption of sodium and the excretion of potassium in the kidneys. This hormone acts on the distal tubules and collecting ducts of the nephron, increasing the expression of sodium channels and sodium-potassium pumps. These changes lead to increased sodium reabsorption and potassium excretion, ultimately affecting the acid-base balance. Antidiuretic hormone, also known as vasopressin, is produced in the hypothalamus and released from the posterior pituitary gland. ADH plays a crucial role in regulating water reabsorption in the kidneys. In conditions of low blood volume or increased plasma osmolality, ADH secretion is stimulated, resulting in increased water reabsorption from the renal tubules. This mechanism assists in maintaining the osmolarity and acid-base balance of the body fluids. Atrial natriuretic peptide, ANP, is a hormone secreted by specialized cells in the atria of the heart. Its secretion is stimulated by increased blood volume and pressure. ANP acts on the kidneys to increase sodium and water excretion, thereby reducing blood volume. This hormone counteracts the actions of aldosterone and ADH, promoting diuresis and contributing to the regulation of acid-base balance. In situations where the acid-base balance is disrupted, such as metabolic acidosis or alkalosis, the body employs various compensatory mechanisms. Hormonal compensation is one such mechanism. For instance, in metabolic acidosis, the kidneys increase the secretion of hydrogen ions and reabsorption of bicarbonate ions, partly driven by the actions of aldosterone. Similarly, in metabolic alkalosis, the kidneys decrease hydrogen ion secretion and bicarbonate reabsorption. Acid-base disorders occur when the mechanisms responsible for maintaining the pH balance in the body fail to operate effectively. These disorders can be classified into four categories: respiratory acidosis, respiratory alkalosis, metabolic acidosis, and metabolic alkalosis. Each disorder is characterized by specific changes in blood pH, bicarbonate levels, and partial pressure of carbon dioxide. Understanding these disorders is vital for diagnosing and managing various medical conditions. During exercise, the body undergoes significant metabolic changes, often leading to the production of lactic acid. The increased production of acids can disrupt the acid-base balance. However, the body has efficient compensatory mechanisms. For instance, during aerobic exercise, ventilation increases to remove excess carbon dioxide and maintain blood pH. Additionally, the kidneys adjust their bicarbonate reabsorption capacity to counteract acidosis. Pregnancy introduces unique challenges to acid-base balance regulation. Maternal acid-base status affects both the mother and the developing fetus. Hormonal changes during pregnancy, such as increased renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system activity and alterations in renal blood flow, help maintain appropriate acid-base balance. Understanding these hormonal changes is crucial for managing the acid-base status of pregnant individuals. Various medications and therapeutic strategies can impact acid-base balance. For example, diuretics can alter electrolyte levels, affecting the kidney's ability to regulate acid-base balance. Other drugs may directly influence hormonal systems involved in acid-base regulation. It is essential for healthcare professionals to consider the potential effects of medications on acid-base balance when prescribing treatments. In conclusion, understanding acid-base balance is vital for medical professionals as it underpins the diagnosis and management of various physiological and pathological conditions. The kidneys, along with complex hormonal regulatory mechanisms, play significant roles in maintaining the delicate equilibrium of acidity and alkalinity in our bodies. Continual research in this field allows for a deeper understanding of acid-base imbalances and the development of targeted pharmacological interventions. By grasping the intricacies of acid-base balance, we are better equipped to provide optimal patient care and contribute to the advancement of medical knowledge. Thank you for joining me in this detailed exploration of acid-base balance, and I look forward to further discussions and interactions in our future lectures.